Yeah, it's okay. We allow visitors here just to come and see.
I take the permission there. After when
Uh-huh.
you enter the vehicle, he will spray for the vehicle.
Okay.
You will allow to enter the factory milking area.
Okay. We'll allow the visitors to get down and
Now, when we want to visit, before take
the permission.
for the
Okay.
heads manager. It's not authorized after that. Now milking time finished. Now
So
feeding
what time is milking time?
Milking night 6 o'clock evening.
Mhm.
Again morning 4 o'clock.
2 times a day or 4 times?
3 times.
3 times. Yeah, it's enough. We just